In this video, I will show you how to allow WhatsApp access to contacts. Make sure to watch the video to the end. You don't make any mistake. First of all, after you open up your phone, all you have to do is just long press your hand on your WhatsApp like this. So it will give you this option. All you have to do is just tap on this app info. So after you open this app info, all you have to do is tap on this section which says permission. So tap on it. After you open up this permission, all you have to do is scroll to down. You will see an option which says contact. So tap on it. After you tap on this contact, all you have to do is says contact permission. So all you have to do is tap on this, turn it on, allow it. As you can see, before it was don't allow, so make it allow. So tap on this back arrow. So as you can see now, is under this allow option that your access your WhatsApp can access. As you can see now, the contact is enabled. So that's it, guys. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like and ask question in the comment. Thank you for watching.